Over here, everyone. Today I will learn science. Today's lesson science is about what is a living thing and a non-living thing. Now, I will read it. Living things and living and non-living things. Written by Ashley Sweeney. This cloud moves and makes noise, but is it alive? To answer the question, we will learn the lesson today. Living things follow these 6 rules. Living things grow. Living things use energy. Living things make more of their own kinds. Living things are made of cells. Living things respond. A bear asleep to get cold. Living things adapt. This rabbit's fur turns white in the winter. A living thing is anything that's now alive. A living thing is also anything that was once alive. A log is not alive now, but it was one on a living tree. A non-living thing is anything that was never alive. This phone was never alive. The sun was never alive. Find the living and non-living thing in this picture. This girl is a living thing. Is it a non-living thing? Now I will show you. Is a clock is a non-living thing? It isn't. It isn't because it's a machine. People can make it move. If people make it move, I will show you. A living thing is the thing that is alive. And what is alive about? It can grow. It can grow. Need sunlight. Or need everything. Need everything. Example, it needs sunlight. It can grow and change. But it alive. A tree is a living thing too. But when you cut down a tree, it dies. It's not a living thing. Or it isn't alive. It can grow, change, needs everything, etc. Just search on Google what is a living thing. So you have an answer. Alright, let's move on. Now, amazing cells. All plants and animals are made up of the same thing. Cells. The whole body is made of cells, from your head to your toes. Some living things have only one cell. Other living things have many cells. This tiny living thing is made of just one cell. Too small to see. Cells are very small. We need help to see them. A microscope is a machine that makes small things look big. People use microscope to look at things they cannot see with just their eyes. Look at the microscope. This is what some cells look under a microscope. Tiny creature. An amoeba is a tiny living thing. It's made of just one cell. You can only see an amoeba is the microscope. It looks like a blob of jelly. I will show you what is an amoeba. Alma is now enter. What is the cell? Is it's translated to Vietnamese. Now the topic is the living thing. So many cells. Larger animals have many kinds of cells. Some cells are round and white. Some cells are long and thin. Each cell has a job to do. Each size or shape helps the cell to do its jobs. Blood cells. Blood moves to different parts of the body. Animals have red and white blood cells. Red blood cells are thin and bland, then carry a gas called oxygen. White blood cells are in different shape and size. White blood cells help keep animals from getting sick. Skin cells. Skin cells are on the outside of the body. They are flat. Skin cells protect the rest of the body. Some animals have skin that can change color. Their skin made of special cells. The animal can change its color to scare away other animals. Colorful skin cell can also help it blend in. It can camouflage. Nervous cell can be very long. They send signal in the body. Animal use nervous cell to smell, hear, and see. This is how a frog catch a cricket. The frog sees a cricket with its eyes. The eyes send signal to the brain. Nervous cell send signal from the brain to the legs. The frog uses its leg to jump and catch the cricket by its tongue. Do you know a single nervous cell can go all the way from a giraffe head to foot? Plant cell. Plants are made of many kinds of cells. Plant cells are different from animal cells. Why is different? I say what is the difference of plant and animal? Animal can move and plant can move, and the animal and the animal is nurtured by the heteromy, and the plant has these leaf cells, and plant has the cellulose, and it has the different. Now be a scientist. Living things are made of cells. In class, you will see object and picture. Some will be living things and some will be non-living things. Put the object or picture into group. Use this question to help you. Is it made of cells? Does it have just one cell? Does it have many cells? Does it animal cell? Is it made of plant cells? Now, beyond the book. As an adult, help you see the internet. Learn more about living things that are made of just one cell. Oh, I know what are living things that made of just one cell. I have learned biological, and I know that. Now I'm grade 7. Now,
Protozoa.
corona it has only one cell. That's why I said to learn biological. Okay, let's in reading. See you. Goodbye and see you again. Bye.